Welcome to Auto Drive Gallery. The Bullitt is back. Passages on once more, off-again uncommon version Mustang respecting the observed Steve McQueen motion picture Bullitt restores this late spring, without a moment to spare to check the 50th commemoration of the film. This is the third time Ford has offered a Bullitt-marked extraordinary release, following past forms in the 2001 and in the 2008-2009 model years. Demonstrated after the 1968 Ford Mustang 390 GT Fastback driven by McQueen's character, Frank Bullitt, the 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt version expands on the substance of the Mustang GT Premium with the performance bundle and incorporates redesigns, for example, Brembo 6-cylinder front brakes, a Torsen constrained slip differential, a bigger back hostile-to-move bar, and a greater radiator to keep the Bullitt's 5.0-liter V8 motor cool amid broad pursuits. It needs all the more cooling in light of the fact that the Bullitt turns the warmth up on the brawny Boat 8's execution affability of an admission complex cribbed from the Shelby GT 350, 87mm throttle bodies, and a recalibrated powertrain control module. These progressions result in a sum of 475 strength, or 15 more than the average Mustang GT, and help the Bullitt accomplish a best speed of 163 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour more than the Mustang GT. Torque holds enduring at 420 pounds-to-foot, and a 6-speed manual is the sole transmission advertised. To better station the soul of the first film auto, the 2019 Mustang Bullitt has been stripped of all outside badging. A solitary trunk-mounted identification denotes the model's association with the film and copies the outline of a fuel filler top. Moreover, Ford sprinkles the Bullitt with chrome around its badgeless grille and around its window line. Red brake calipers and 19-inch wheels finish the auto's look. Two paint hues will be accessible, Highland Green, similar to the first film auto, and Shadow Black. Inside, the Bullitt incorporates demonstrate particular prompts, for example, green complements sewing all through its calfskin line inside, a white signal ball-style move lever, and an uncommon welcome realistic inside the auto's 12.0-inch advanced check bunch. Choices are few, however incorporate an accessible versatile suspension, recaro seats, and a gadgets bundle that includes route, memory seating, and blind side checking with race cross movement caution. Passage has not yet discharged valuing data for the 2019 Mustang Bullitt. Anticipate that it will cost a couple of $1,000s more than the $43,990 cost of the 2018 Ford Mustang GT Premium with the GT Performance Bundle. The Bullitt version goes marked down at mid-year.